In this tutorial you will learn patent application ways. There are 4 ways. The first way is National Patent Office application. If you want to produce and sell your products in one country, you can apply directly National Patent Office. In 12 months, if you change your decision, you have a right to apply other National Patent Office or European or International Patent Office. In second way, if you want to sell your products to European countries, you can apply directly European Patent Office. In third way, if you want to sell your products to several countries, for example Japan, United States or China, you can apply directly International Patent Office. If you want to sell your products to Eurasian countries, Russia, Turkmenistan, Belarus, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Kyrgyz Republic and Moldova, you can apply directly Eurasian Patent Office. European and international patent application has one advantage according to national patent application. You only pay one time for application, searching and examination fees. If you select national patent application way, you must pay for each country. For several countries, it is expensive way. Another advantage of the international patent application, you have a right 30 months decision time to apply other national patent office. It is longer than national patent application. Don't forget subscribing my channel, follow my social media accounts.